Number one, DAN declaration can be recorded by any person, maybe a magistrate, maybe a doctor, anybody. But DAN deposition can be recorded only by a magistrate. Number two, oath or solemn affirmation. Oath or solemn affirmation. Person is not put under oath in case of DAN declaration, but DAN deposition, person is put under oath. Okay. Number three, DAN declaration, there is no presence of accused or his lawyer. Accused or his lawyer. But DAN deposition, there will be presence of accused or his lawyer. Number four, person cannot be cross-examined in case of DAN declaration. DAN deposition, the person can be cross-examined. Okay. Now, which is more superior? Definitely, if at all, DAN deposition. In India, it is not there, of course. Superior is always DAN deposition. And last part is, as already I told you, DAN deposition is only a hypothetical situation and not accepted in India. It is not practiced in India. There is nothing like DAN deposition in India. Whereas DAN declaration is acceptable as per section 26A of Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam. All these are differences between DAN declaration and DAN deposition. Okay. That is regarding all the four documentary evidences. Okay. Next, coming to the witness. Who is witness? Witness is one who gives evidence in a court of law. Witness is one who gives evidence in a court of law. Okay. What are the different types of witnesses? See, strictly speaking, there are two types of witnesses. Common witness or ordinary witness and expert witness. But many books mention a separate classification as the hostile witness. Hostile witness, whether an ordinary witness or expert witness, both can become hostile witness. Okay, now let me talk about types of witnesses. Types of witnesses. Number one, common witness or ordinary witness, also known as lay witness. Lay witness, like layman, they say, lay witness. Who is common witness? See, common witness is the one who is not specialized in a specific subject or science. He just goes to the court of law and give evidence regarding what he has seen, what he has heard, or what he has perceived through any of his senses. So, he is a person who gives evidence about the facts observed by himself. Observed means not only by vision, even what he heard, smelt, tasted, touched. He cannot draw any opinion on his observation. He cannot draw any opinion on his observation. That's why he is known as common witness. Okay. So, he is a person who gives evidence about the facts observed by himself. Observed by himself means, as I said, not only seen, it is evidence of a person of what he has seen, heard, or perceived through any other senses. He cannot draw an opinion based on his observation. He may say, if I seen a wound, he may say, I have seen a wound measuring 5 centimeter into 1 centimeter. That's all. He cannot say what type of injury is it, whether it is caused by a blunt weapon or sharp weapon or firearm. No. Common witness. Okay. Now, number two, expert witness. expert witness dealt under section 39 of Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam. Expert witness is one who is qualified or who is specialized or who is experienced in a scientific or technical subject. Scientific or technical subject. Okay. See, it does not mean that he should have a degree in that particular subject. For example, one experienced plumber is there or experienced electrician is there. It does not mean that he should have B.Tech degree in electrical engineering. Okay. And he is capable of giving an opinion from the facts observed by himself or others. Say, for example, doctor. I can say that I have seen a wound measuring 5 centimeter into 1 centimeter into bone deep, situated over right side of the forehead. I act as a common witness. Any ordinary witness also can say that a wound measuring 5 centimeter into 1 centimeter into bone tip over right side of the forehead. But as a doctor, I am capable of giving opinion from the facts observed by himself or others. Now, what I observed is a 5 centimeter into 1 centimeter long wound. But I can say margins are regular, edges are not contused, and it is caused by a sharp cutting weapon. Now I act as expert witness. Okay. At the same time, I can give my specialized opinion based on the finding of others. So, for example, an ordinary witness comes and say, I have seen a wound. I ask, what is the shape of the wound? He says, circular. Was there anything around the wound? Yeah, I can see some blackening around the wound. Did you see anything else other than blackening? Yeah, some black, something entered inside like it was there. Then, based on my experience in ballistics, I can say it must be a wound of entry caused by a firearm. I have not seen that wound, but based on his findings, I can give my opinion. Okay. So, there is nothing much to explain about expert witness because all of you know what is expert witness. Okay. Example, doctor, fingerprint expert, handwriting expert, firearm expert, etc. Anybody for that matter.